All right, so it's about to start day 3 of fixing my dining room wall, and last night we got some framing done, and we just covered the wall up last night so nothing would get inside, nobody would break in. But we're gonna take probably some of these boards off. We're gonna start putting some windows in, and I'll show you the framing we did inside. So here's what we got done. We got the doorway framed out and all the windows framed out. Got a header panel, above the roof line, so above the windows to help support the roof. And we got to cut out the windows today and start putting things back together. All right, putting the windows back in, new windows, and I gotta get some window stuff get some nails to put them in place. How's it looking, Rob?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. We get some more tape and stuff and nails. It's coming back together, right?
Yep.
So working across, putting the windows in. We had to flip this one around because Rob had it upside down, but it's all right. I noticed it, like, hey, this is going upside down. So we flipped it around. It's going the right way now.
Come on.
All right, last window's going in. Going the right way. All right, I'll hold it for you.
All right, you hold it.
So right now what we're doing is I'm putting a piece of flashing on the house here. What happens here is when we get blizzards and stuff, we'll get like 6 inches, a foot, 2 feet of snow. It pockets right here. The house is new, this was never done. So this is gonna, just one more thing to help guard against the elements, the rain, and to help protect that sill. So just wrapped all the door jambs in the middle of wrapping the windows so the water doesn't get in them. I've still got to finish the tops. But this wall and house is going to be way, way, way better than how it ever was before. It's already, even with the door out, it's way more quieter on the inside already. It's looking good, Rob.
Getting there.
So the windows are all wrapped with the builder tape, and that'll help to keep the elements out. So the one I used was this Protecto wrap, and bought it from a local lumber yard. It actually was really easy to work with as far as this stuff goes. It's real sticky and it can be a pain to handle sometimes, but this wasn't too bad, and it conformed to all the spots pretty good. So we're gonna get our door put in now. So right now we're throwing our front door in, and Rob's checking it out, make sure it's level. And this is a fiberglass door we went with. We bought this door from Home Depot too, and it should help, prevent it from rotting against snow and stuff. So throwing in some screws right here. This will have a little bit of adjustment on the door jamb. We can tighten and loosen it if we need to. All right. Yeah, this looks pretty good, buddy.
Everything works.
I know. It's like when you pull it, it actually has some suction to it.
Watch.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
You can feel it,
So
yeah.
put the other thing on, and we'll put that on.
Okay. You guys, well, it's about 7 o'clock at night, and we're wrapping up the end of day 3. So I got my door back in, got my windows back in, and we got to move some wiring around probably next weekend. And we got to wrap up the outside. We got to reshake it and bring the roof line out a little bit. And we're going to extend that so the water isn't dripping right down the side of the house. There's no roof line on this house. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to live to fight another day with this thing. Or a couple more days. Stay tuned.